Jamaica's Independence Day. Curfew is at 3 p.m. and we are on our way in town at 12:45 p.m. Better late than never, I guess. At this point, we were hoping we wouldn't get caught in town during curfew, but I had to give you guys a look at the city during this time of the year, so if we get stuck on the road, I found a fault. Why we have clock tower everywhere was there's the clock. So far, most places are closed, but you know, say some of the Chinaman wholesale them still open, so you can get a little something if you need to. Music still a play, taxis still around, and people still are selling on the road. Some of them are still open. Well, for now. Yes, man, dance my friend. We're gonna go and get some ice cream from Devon House and then go by Harmony Beach Park to see if it's still open. Hopefully, we'll see. Hey, where's lock? Guess which ice cream I got? My favorite ice cream, apart from chocolate. Well, yeah, because I prefer this more than chocolate. You know I love chocolate ice cream.
You can't get KFC, you gotta buy jerk chicken. See it, yeah? Yeah. Jerk chicken, yeah.
It's about 1 o'clock right now and the park is closing, so everybody packing up to leave. Of course, they have to close early because they need to give their workers time to go them yard. So, yep, too late. Why Jamaicans love KFC? Funny line. And then there is even a line outside for the drive-through as well. So long line outside for the drive-through and line to go in as well. Long line to go in. Pizza Hut has a long line as well. And pizza. This is the line to go into KFC. From here, go all the way around, and then from there where you see the white van, going all the way around. Imagine after waiting so long for your food, you drop it. How if you drop your food? Normally there would be some kind of civic ceremony at the square, but because of Corona, all of that is being held online. But I'm still going to go buy some shots for to see how it looks. drop off from this to this. See, there are a whole of people still on the road. Whole heap of street vendors still have their wares out, and of course a lot of the stores are closed and the street vendors just hang their wares on the stores.
You don't know if you know I'm going to the people party.
A party? Okay.
Yeah, a party around there. I don't know if you know I'm going to party.
And the best way to end the day is at the river. Nice, cool. After a hot day downtown, the river is perfect. The like button, and if you're not subscribed, then subscribe. And of course, say something to me in the comment section. My kitty of these.